This isn't the garden video I wanted to make, but this is the day after Hurricane Ian hit. Had the eye of the hurricane come right over me. It was a Category 4. Now, let's see if there's anything left in my garden. I pulled my car up into the seed starting station instead. But there's a big branch on my car. And plants I had over here got flattened. I might be able to take cuttings of the cranberry, the hibiscus, and some of the others here. Doesn't look like I'll be able to even walk around in that direction. Well, look at that, the moringa survived. My orchid tree is gone. Oh, looks like the setup for keeping my garbage cans ends in one spot. That worked pretty well for the most part. Papayas look pretty torn up. So interesting to note, so far all the grow bags seem to have stayed in place. This looks salvageable. Whoa. Looks like my orange tree survived. It was in the backyard someplace. I'm guessing that means my dragon fruit are completely gone. Maybe like that. My peppermint stayed in place. And my mint stayed in place. Fortunately, it seems the tree just missed the chicken coop. And if the wind hadn't been blowing in any other direction, knock that thing down, it would have hit power lines or my house. So this is probably the best direction it could have fallen. Look at that. Just barely missed important stuff. Oh, looks like I might be starting over with the sweet potatoes. Yeah, the blackberries survived just fine. Don't know about the okra. The took lost all of its leaves, but it's probably be able to bounce back. Oh, there's my dragon fruit. They weren't in very good shape to begin with. Bananas are pretty shredded. And it looks like my neighbor's yard is flooded. Some of these might bounce back. Let's see if we're going to find the one that had bananas on them. Should have picked those beforehand, but I didn't have any place to put them. Look at that. Just missed the coop. Amazing. Looks like my two raised beds survived just fine. Well, what's in them looks like they're pretty much mulch now. Survived just fine. I guess I'll pick those, what's left. All this stayed in place, that's good. That's the generator in my neighbor's house. All the grow bed eggs stayed in place. Neighbor's fence door, for what's left of it. Shredded and charred. Ninja survived. Branches on my house. I really hope there's no roof damage. Find out later. Well, that's about it. I probably won't be uploading too much this next month as I do cleanup. So you know, I'm safe, the chickens are safe, my sun conure is safe. The house doesn't seem to be too damaged, at least the initial look.